everybody, Rowan here. Today we're going to be doing a very quick video where we're taking a look at the Rodecaster Duo, which is currently available for pre-order. It's not out just yet, but it's essentially a mini version of the Rodecaster Pro II. We're going to be taking an in-depth look at it in another video where we compare it to the Rodecaster Pro II, as well as the Rodecaster Pro I. But today we thought we'd just do a quick unboxing video and take a look at what's inside.
Thanks for checking out Radio.co on YouTube. If you want to see more kit reviews, live webinars and handy broadcasting tips, then give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe and click the bell icon.
So as for the box itself, very similar to the Rodecaster Pro's box. Yeah, basically just a squarer version. On the side, you've obviously got what you're getting, and with the Rodecaster Duo, you're going to lose a few bits and pieces on the outside, such as buttons, sliders. You only get 2 XLR ports instead of 4, but in terms of internal specs, it's pretty much identical to the Rodecaster Pro II. So along here we've got mic line, instrument inputs, studio grade processing. We know we have AFX processing. Oh, there it is actually. Revolution preamps, AFX processing, exactly the same as the Rodecaster Pro II. You've got an onboard wireless receiver, meaning you can use this with the wireless Go 2, is it called? Yeah, the sort of wireless video mic range. That works perfectly fine with this. We're actually using that to record right now. I didn't even realize. And of course you've got your smart pads, which you can flick through using the buttons at the bottom, which obviously gives you your sound effects and all those bits and bobs. As for the other side, just a big Rode logo. I'd expect nothing else from Rode. They love a logo. And then, yeah, exactly the same on that side. On this side, you've got made for iPhone, iPad. You can obviously use this alongside your phone if you'd like. And yeah, and then just some boring bits and bobs. On the back, we have the full spec rundown in various different languages. I'll put some of the specs on the screen now if you'd like to take a closer look at that, because this print is a bit small. But basically, you're going to get your ultra low noise, high gain Revolution preamps, like we said, 2 high quality is it Nutric? I'm never entirely sure. Nutric? Nutric? Not sure. Combo jacks, which is obviously 2 XLR ports instead of 4. You're going to get your broadcast quality faders and high resolution touchscreen with haptic feedback. Again, exactly the same as the Rodecaster Pro II. So yeah, not a huge difference from the Rodecaster Pro II, but enough chit chat. Let's get inside. Ooh, hello. So again, this is almost identical to the Rodecaster Pro II. Let's open it up. Let me guess, it's going to have like some very inspirational audio quote. Oh, no. They've done me. Oh, no, there it is. Welcome to Next Level Audio. Knew it. Right, so let's open it up. At the top, like usual, you've got your usual other Rode advertising stuff that you can also use with this. You can, of course, use non-Rode related equipment. But here we go. Here it is. And wow. This is genuinely my first time looking at this, and it really is just a little version of the Rodecaster Pro II, which I'll show you in a second, to put them side by side, but wow, yeah. I like it. Anyway, we'll look at that properly in a minute. Let's see what else we've got in the box. Lift here. Okay. Oh, lift here too. I need instructions. Oh, no, here we go. Oh, this is very, well, I was about to say neat, but it's not. It's not neat at all. We've got a USB-C power adapter, USB-C here, and then your plug will go in there. Where is it? Oh, we've got a UK plug. Lovely stuff. Last time we got sent a US plug, I think by mistake, not entirely sure. This time, UK plug. Lovely, we love that. Yeah, so that just slots in there. Voila, you have your power adapter. Very nice. Exactly the same, again, as the Rodecaster Pro II. They also give you a USB-C wire. I guess this could be used for connectivity to your laptop, which can, you can connect Rode Connect, the app, or Rode Central. So yeah, that's nice that they include that. You could also use this to power a USB-C microphone, I guess. So yeah, very nice. Love your Rodecaster Duo. Share with us. I'll do that later. Yeah, so that's it for the box. A lot of cardboard. Rode loves cardboard. Okay, so let's have a proper look at the Duo itself. So like I said, we're going to go over this properly in an in-depth comparison / review video. Yeah, look at it. I really like it. This is really smart. I mean, there was nothing wrong with the Rodecaster Pro 2. I had no complaints there, especially in comparison to the original Rodecaster. It was a lot smaller, a lot heavier, a lot lighter, I should say. This one is, it's aggressively light. Hold on, let me just do this. It's very satisfying. Ooh, love that. Yeah. Hey you, yes you, did you know you can start your very own radio station right now for free? Yes, for free. Simply click the link in the corner to start your 7-day free trial today. So obviously you're getting 2 less faders on the front. I don't think that's a huge deal because you do get those free virtual faders as well. So you're getting, bit of quick maths, 7 faders in total. I think that's more than enough, especially if you're just a creator on your own. You're also getting 6 smart pads instead of 8. Again, you have the arrows on the bottom so you can flick through, I think it's 60? I might be wrong, might need to check that. I'll put it on the screen if I'm wrong. 60 pads available to you there. You get 2 less headphone volume sliders on the top, but then obviously you only get 2 headphones on the back. You also only get 2 XLR ports on the back, and 2 USB-C ports, but I think you only got 2 USB-C ports on the Rodecaster Pro 2 as well, so nothing changed there. You also get your SD card slot and a few other bits on the back. On the bottom, not a lot. And then on the sides, nothing to report there as well. But yeah, this screen, exactly the same as the Rodecaster Pro 2. Oh, you can see me in it. That's how you know it's shiny. Yeah, exactly the same. So overall, just pop it down. The sliders feel the same, the buttons feel the same. Everything feels exactly the same. So let's put it side by side with the original Rodecaster Pro 2 and see what else looks different. So I was actually speaking to Jamie before I started this video, and I was saying to him that I hadn't got the Duo out yet, so I was saying to him, I can't imagine it being that much smaller. I can't imagine it really feels like it's necessary because the Rodecaster Pro 2 already felt so small. But my God, it looks so tiny in comparison to it. Yeah, so like we said before, obviously you're losing out on a few bits and pieces. Something that I didn't even notice straight away was that you no longer have a record button. The record button is completely missing from this side of the deck, which could be a little bit annoying. I'm not sure. I'm guessing now that the record button is at the top in the top left corner. So, okay, that's not the end of the world. But yeah, replacing where the shows button was before. Now, if you want to get to shows on the Duo, all you've got to do is click shows in settings, which you could still do on the Pro 2. And then if you want to change the system settings for the record button, you just need to go to display, record button, and it works pretty much like the physical button on the Rodecaster Pro 2, in that you press to pause it and you hold it down to record. So that took me a little bit by surprise, but aside from that, everything else is as I imagined it to be, with a few less sliders, a few less buttons, and obviously the other stuff we've already gone through. So yeah, let me just go through a few buttons and stuff. It looks almost identical, but yeah, it's so tiny in comparison. I actually really like it. It's not going to be for everyone, obviously. You might need more than 2 XLR ports, and you might need the other extras, like a few more sliders. You might not like virtual sliders. That's absolutely fine. But yeah, but for $499 in comparison to $630 roughly at time of recording, it's I think it is fair. I think it's a pretty fair deal, especially as the specs in the two are exactly the same. But yeah, that pretty much sums it up for today. So thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to see more of these sort of basic unboxing style videos, make sure to let us know down in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to click like, hit subscribe, ring the bell, all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching and happy broadcasting.
And just before you go, have you ever thought about launching your very own internet radio station? Surprisingly, it's a lot easier than you may think, especially when you make the time to chat to myself or a member of the Radio.co team. To do just that, head to our website, radio.co/demo, where I can talk about your plans, any questions you may have, and me and the team can really get you up to speed in launching your own internet radio station in literally minutes. It couldn't be easier. Why not check out some of our are webinars, tutorials, help guides situated around me. Or why not visit our website, Radio.co, or even drop me an email, studio@radio.co. Until next time, take care and happy broadcasting.